What's up, my friends? DFX Hunter here, and in this video we're gonna have a look to the USD Mexican peso trade which we had in my trading plan. So what I was planning actually, and I was notifying this all my subscribers in the weekly trading plan, that the Mexican peso is coming into the top channel which was defined by these levels. And as well, it was confirmed because I have seen that here is the middle where the price is bouncing. So the price has come up, and it was a bit clue for me that it can drop. But how could I be sure that it can drop? It was because the banks was holding, I have here holding big shorts. And we can see that in my COT Excel, which I'm providing, of course, for my subscribers. So I was planning to take a trade with nice positive ratio 2 to 11, which wasn't so bad. But then what I was thinking that it could offer some better ratio. So what I was planning here is to enter just with the smaller stop loss, because we had already the touch here in this channel. So I said to myself, let's try it with the smaller ratio so we can use the bigger position, and we have 1 to 11 with the first take profit here. So this was the nice one, and here is the COT data. So check this. We have just 30k of the longs positions, and the banks was holding 3 times more shorts. But why they was holding these shorts when the price was going up? It's probably because on this trade is a positive swap, and it's not a small one. It's called a carry trade. So they've been, of course, holding these shorts while the dollar was pushing the price up. Then now, once the dollar strength came out, this one dropped, and they are always holding the big shorts here, and they was holding it because they still will taking the advantage of these swaps. So right now the price is dropping, and as I see they have these huge drops. I think that we could see something like this and continuation down. So very simple price action, just the channel and the COT give me the clue. So this is how I was planning it on the trading view, where I posted it and said this carry trade is here. Carry trade because of the swap advantage, and then I was expecting the price to drop, which basically nicely happened. So this is not, I don't want to show just the blah blah blah. Of course, the thing is that when I'm speaking about my subscribers, so here is how I posted the trade in my channel. So we changed the entry. Entry was the sell limit around the 20.147, and with the stop loss just 86 pips, and our target is the 19.741, and the TP2 is target 2 is 19.7. So risk reward ratio is basically, if you look at it like this, risk reward ratio is 1 to 11, which is amazing. Right now let's check in the platform. So of course this is how the trade looks like. So here was the channel. This channel is not the one which I have in the trading view. So there was a touch, and I was waiting the price to break the low. So what is basically mostly happening here is that most of the traders which see the break of this low, they put the stop losses just right behind the last swing here, right? So here is mostly the liquidity. So that's why I planned to my trade entry here, why others are stopped out. So again, remember, it's a breakout trader. So when the low is breaking, they entering the shorts, they entering here. Just this is the stupidity of the vast majority of the traders. So they seen this low, they enter the shorts, and where they put stop loss is here. Some of them can put it here, of course, that's where we had our stop loss. But the thing is, if you're entering with the sell limit, you can use this stop loss. If you're entering here and using this stop loss, then the trade is not so good. So that's why we always using the limit order. So they entered here with the stop loss here. Boom, it came just right above 2 great stop loss. We entered, and then just the maximum risk was like 20 pips, 25 pips, and boom. Now we are in the profit 340 pips, and of course it's a live account. I'm not pretending playing some games on the demo. And yeah, it's doing well. I mean, this trade is right now for me making, you can see USDMXN. Let me put this one. So USDMXN, and it's making at the moment $850, which is amazing. And our other trades are running well as well. I mean, we have everything in the profit. This is how we do it. And yeah. So this is it. I mean, this trade is good. I have one trade which is killing my ratio, which is this one, this German DAX, but this one is not, which I'm posting in the Telegram channels. So this one is my personal loss, but I believe that it still will be good. So we are doing really well. So you guys don't hesitate and come to my website, join my Telegram channel, join the membership. It's cheap and you can easily cover the fee. Trade with me, learn this technique, learn the COT, learn to understand how the banks are doing it, learn to create your own Excel sheet and start to trade like a pro, and stop doing just some technical analysis. You all know that it works sometimes and sometimes not, but when you're knowing this, it brings the reality and what is going on really on the markets, and your trading will change rapidly. So this is everything from me. Have a great day. Bye bye.